Schönen guten Morgen. Wir sind hier beim Familien- und Integrationsministère an der Stadt und stellen ihr Projet vor, die wir am Kader vom Plan d'Action national für Integration unterstützen. Diese 10 Projekte gehen zwischen Juli 2021 und Dezember 2022 umgesetzt, für das Zusammenleben hier zu Lützeburg zu fördern. Wir machen uns auf den Weg. Guten Morgen alle gewuer. Heute sind wir bei Multilearn, die uns ihr neues Projekt Abléck vorstellen, den das Familljeministère unterstützt. Ich bin gespannt.
Luxembourg Multilearn Institute is a non-profit organization founded in 2008. We have been conducting research and projects on the development of literacy, integration, and interaction. Our new project, Abléck, meaning looking inside in Luxembourgish, aims to promote the cultural heritage of Luxembourg among people in Luxembourg and the greater region by having a centralized digital platform. Luxembourg has a rich cultural heritage, for instance, festivals, traditional events, songs, recipes, and stories. However, they are mainly practiced by Luxembourgers, and they, for instance, Lëtzebuerger or Bushbrennen, they are not well known to or not enjoyed by the non-Luxembourgish population. Our project Abléck is composed of 3 phases. First, we will collect the materials and resources that are dispersed and not online yet. And second, the collected materials will be uploaded on a centralized digital platform with contextualized translations into the 5 main languages in Luxembourg so that anyone can access to them anytime. Lastly, we will make a model program for cultural awareness of newly arrived immigrants and a pilot training program for multipliers with the materials collected and translated. And this project will run until the end of 2022. We expect that this project can help the cultural heritage of Luxembourg to be promoted and appreciated by a wider public and the non-Luxembourgish population to be able to participate in the transmission of the cultural knowledge of Luxembourg. If you have any suggestions or inspirations, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.